With FlashGrid, organizations build modern database infrastructure that powers mission-critical operations. Whether your information lives in the cloud or in a data center, we know it must be highly available, secure, fast, scalable, and disaster-proof. Mission-critical databases running on FlashGrid power key parts of the global economy across finance, government, telecommunications, e-commerce, manufacturing, healthcare, energy, transportation, and other vital sectors. Our broad partner ecosystem provides comprehensive database integration and migration solutions in the cloud for business agility and digital transformation. Take charge with our infrastructure as code automation and enjoy lightning-fast, repeatable deployments to meet project deadlines. FlashGrid's 24/7 technical support will help you to analyze, deploy, and maintain your database infrastructure with maximum uptime through the entire life cycle of your applications. It's time to stop worrying about your database infrastructure. You found your solution. You found FlashGrid.